In this video, I'll show you how to install if you get the error message saying installation cannot continue as the installer file may be damaged. This method is going to work for all Adobe applications. So all you have to do is follow these steps. Open the installer file. When you do that, click open. You will get this error. So do not worry. All you have to do is right click on open package content. Now search for Mac OS and install. Click open, and that's all you have to do. And remember, this method is going to work for all the Adobe applications that you have downloaded. Steps are going to be exactly the same. Now, when you get the option to sign in, quickly create a top ID and sign in using that. Once the verification is done, you will get a verification code on the email if in case you haven't got it. Try repeating the steps. I'll be skipping this step. Once you press skip, all you have to do is follow these steps. Press continue. And the installation process is started. Now all you have to do is click on this icon. You shall get a message saying that it is not a trusted developer. Go to your settings, click on security. Now click on general and open anyway. Open. And now you have to press patch. Once you click over there, everything will happen automatically. You will have to type in your Mac password if required. I hope you liked the video. If so, make sure to give me thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And that's how you install Photoshop or any other Adobe application.